What's up guys, this is Monocle Shark, back doing another video, and today we are playing some Phantom Forces. Just waiting for my game to load, as you know. Right, let's go. Let's deploy. Bam. So a rebel, I don't even need to squad deploy. Oh, wrong button. We're supposed to see to see. What? Oh, I got killed. I'm sorry, I'm so excited about a kill. That's like my third ever kill. No, that's my fifth kill. What a noob if you actually get killed by this person. Can I get up? No, someone stood under me, it's really annoying. BAM! Sorry about that. Oh, who's shooting me? Just hide here. No. I think someone's drawing me. What does that mean? There's absolutely nothing. What? Who's in there? Who has terrible aim? No, why did you fall? Why did you just walk over the fence? I thought fences were there to stop you from jumping over things. Oh, they're my mates. Why's he doing that? Did you kill him? No, it's shoot. Wow, yeah, nothing like being stealthy, mate. I'm just following this guy. Let's just run. Why am I always put up it? This guy's actually pretty decent. Just what the heck? How do you do that? Do you think he's trying to run away from me, guys? Probably. But I'm too much of a stealth lord. There's no escape room. But wait, where'd he go? Did he leave the game? Did he just leave the game? Sorry guys, I'm a bit ill. Oh, I'm actually getting pretty decent now. I say as I almost get killed. I say, oh, I'm pretty decent now. As soon as I say that, dead. It's so bad. But I've got 6, guys, look at the bottom. 6 kills. How many deaths? 44. Do you know how bad that is? Woo! Let's get this on. Let's get this over. So I can get this video over so I can go to sleep. It's currently like 2 o'clock in the morning. Someone shot me. Someone's shooting me. Who's right here? Me? Hello? Right, I have to ask you this one question. What are you doing in my ship? No! Oh, I made it. I'm just walking backwards, I don't really know. It's so hot in my room. It's just a bit like me, really hot. You know? Joking, guys. I'm not joking. Oh, I can jump through that. Watch this, guys. Watch this. I feel like I can just walk over the fences. Yeah, that's what killed me. I got stuck. There's a door. See if we can get some kills. Where's everyone? I think that sniping! I hate snipers, they're so annoying. Right, I'm gonna go up to where that guy is. Just shoot him. Oh! I almost got him! I swear! How much health is he on? He was on 100 health! Then who was getting hit? It must have been my mate. So I hope people get hit. Woo! I'm getting shot at. Run! Sometimes I feel I've got to run away. I've got to. Oh hi, how you doing, mate? Oh, I have a sniper now. Let's go up to that sniping point where that guy was at. Why is it made of wood? Let's find a good spot when they all find us. Just snipe people. Sorry, someone's texting me. I don't care if you can. Someone just texted me to come out. It's like 11 o'clock. I'm not coming out. Oh, I should have just. Sniper! Go away! Silence my phone. There we go. No, sometimes run away. No, what? How come the other guy didn't get killed? I swear everyone's just targeting me. Do you know why? Because I'm the biggest noob in the world. Then why don't we go down? I'm not trying to be funny. I ain't giving you no money because I spent it all on Robux. No, I don't want to accept. I know I'm famous and that, but why do people keep sending me friend requests? You know, whole 24 subscribers. That's just like, I'm super famous. Who's that? Someone here. No! I've already recorded this video, so I'm a bit on edge because my stupid dad came in and was like, I thought you were playing Team Defeat. This is so stupid. Don't even know why I do this. I earned 200 points. Okay, let's get Mom. I like Mom. Okay, cool. Right, let's deploy. Oh no. Can I just shoot through it? Hello, mate. Right, he's got a scar! That guy is super glitchy. Quick, everyone just destroy the windows. No, great. Go destroy the windows so you can see everyone. As you can tell, I am literally the biggest noob as well. Sniping point. No, I need to get up there somehow. Oh, through here. I'm not trying to be fun on giving the max. No. At least I hit him once. That's good. Can I just kill myself? I don't get how people have bombs. Wait, which key is it? I don't even have a bomb. I think it might be instead of a pistol. But who would want a bomb instead of a pistol? Just had to do it. That was just for the news. The hell are you? Oh, it's just the same gun as well. Right, I'm probably gonna. Whoa, there's a lot of dead people here. Who's got a good gun? Yeah. I'd have that for a pistol, and I would snipe it. Who wants to get sniped by a noob? Oh, I can shoot like this. Guys, this is breaking the fourth wall, literally. This one just over there. Sorry. Ooh. Feisty guy over here. Come on, let's jump into action. I just wasted 25. Whoa! How am I still alive? I'm on 11 health. Right, after this game, I'm probably going to end this video. I think I almost got killed. Okay, yeah, I'll just end the video. Right. Guys, I know, I'm starting to do gaming videos again. Finally. But, you know what? Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and goodbye!